Hello TikTok, we're back with another video. Yes, I got Trader Joe's popcorn pickles. What is this about? It has blowy flavored popcorn with a bite of tons of dill pickles. I wonder what it's going to taste. And also, I got bull tikiyaka popcorn, deep-dark popcorn as well. I just want to know what it really tastes like. So we're going to try both of these. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of pickles, but we'll see what it's giving. Oh, I can smell the pickles. I can smell the pickles, honey. Yeah. Ready? Oh, I can taste the pickles. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's not something that I would buy over the time, but it's a good snack. Just for one time. It's good. It's good. Try it out yourself. It's at Trader Joe's. Now, let's try bone tikiyaka pop with deep-dark popcorn. I always like deep-dark popcorn. Let's try this out. I can't even open these. What the hell? I'm sorry. Okay. This is at Trader Joe's as well, I think. No, it's at Target, not Trader Joe's. Oh, this is good. This is good popcorn. These dark popcorn, I like these. Better than that one. This is good. I can taste the sea salt. This is really good. Good popcorn. I love a good popcorn. Yeah, this is it for the video. Popcorn pickles and deep-dark popcorn. Go out there and get you a popcorn and try out yourself. This is a great snack. I like it. Enjoy yourself. Period.